A few moments later.
Size another day in this miserable town. I can't wait to get home and relax. Suddenly, strange sparks start flying around Squidward's body. Then... Man! What there? What's happening to me?
Hey, Squidward, you look different somehow. Did you get a new haircut?
No, it's not my hair. It's my whole body. I'm turning into some kind of appliance. A metal dome materializes on Squidward's stomach and opens with a D.
A microwave on your belly.
Yes, Patrick, I'm apparently becoming a human-sized microwave oven. This is a nightmare.
Don't worry, Squidward. We'll figure out how to change you back. In the meantime, heavy being a microwave has its perks. You could cook food really fast.
Perks! This isn't a perk, it's a curse. I'm an artist, not an appliance. More parts start forming on Squidward, but then scales a glass window on his chest. Make it stop. I don't want to be a microwave. Someone help me!
Okay, let's think this through. There must be a way to reverse the transformation. Maybe if we put you in the Krusty Krab.
No, absolutely not. The last thing I need is Mr. Krabs exploiting me as a novelty cooking device for his customers.
Yeah, that would be pretty embarrassing. Like that time, hey, we wear a crab pie patty costume.
Got it. Sandy's lab. She's a scientist. She'll know what to do.
Fine, take me there, but if she tries to dissect me or run experiments, I swear I'll nuke her Trito. The three make their way to Sandy's lab, with Squidward awkwardly waddling along in his half-microwave form. Free me.
Well, hello, boys. That brings you here today.
Squidward's turning into a microwave, and we need your help to fix him.
A microwave? That's certainly unusual. Let me take a look. Sandy scanned Squidward with various devices, taking notes. It's fascinating. The molecular structure is definitely shifting towards an electric oven, but I believe I can create a reversal, Cyril. Give me
Ours. I don't have ours. I'm becoming an appliance by the minute. Can't you just zap me with something now?
Now hold on just a second, mister. I'm trying to help you here. These things take time and precision.
Precision! I feel like I'm being slowly replaced by a hunk of junk. Oh, I'm a monster. A microwave monster. Just then, Squidward's arms fully transform into oven mitts and his head becomes a digital disc ball. Then... the oven mitts Ah, it's spreading. I'm losing my humanity. Somebody help me.
Okay, that's it. Everyone remain calm. I'm going to try and shut the transformation into reversing itself. Sandy attaches electrodes to Squidward's microwave body and flips a switch. Heat convulses and sparks fly everywhere. Convulses and... But...
Aha! Burns! Suddenly, the microwave parts start melting away. After a shower of sparks, Squidward collapses to the ground, restored to normal. Sparks! I'm me again. Oh, thank Neptune.
You did it, Sammy. Our buddy's okay.
And you didn't even explode it. Bonus.
Bronze and sits up. I don't know whether to thank you or throttle you, SpongeBob, dragging me to a mad scientist's lab to be experimented on.
Oh, come on, Squidward. I was just trying to help. We're friends, remember?
Yes, I suppose we are. Even if you drive me insane 90 of the time. Just promise me you'll never subject me to anything like this again.
Cross my heart. No, come on. I'm buying you a Krabby Patty to celebrate.
You're impossible. Let's just go. The group heads off, leaving a bewildered Sandy behind.
Well, that was certainly an interesting day at the office. Note to self, invest in more liability insurance.